So another quick video today, just looking at this diagnostic tool. I was looking through some of the parameters and I found a couple of fault codes about the rear wiper, or the rear window wiper should we say, and it's just got two error codes over there that we can see, B103713 and B102213. So it's the rear window wiper feedback open circuit and the wiper rear cam open circuit. So what we can do is try and clear these errors, and we'll see if it actually makes our rear window wiper stop in the right position. I'm guessing it may not fix it. Our window wiper does still sit in the wrong position and still has a mind of its own when it's going, just wants to continue and stop or not do anything at all, although it does always work, to be fair, whenever you switch it on. But I'm going to clear these errors now just by clicking on this clear error button down here, and see if it manages to get rid of those fault codes, which it has. And then next time, what I think I'll do in just a second, I'll turn the rear window wiper on, see if it works properly. If not, I'm guessing we should get these codes back. So I'll just switch off now and then give that a go, and then we'll come back. Okay, so as you can see, the rear wiper at the moment is sitting kind of looking, I don't know if you was looking at the back of it, probably towards the 2 o'clock position, and obviously it should be nice and kind of horizontal across this position. So I'm just going to turn it on now, and it's stopped exactly where it should be, which is interesting, and it's behaving absolutely perfectly. And I'm going to switch it off again. And look at that, we fixed it. So absolutely perfect, well chuffed with that. So with the engine still running, what I'm going to do is just reconnect back to the computer, just have a look and see if those error messages are back up again. We'll just go into errors and no fault codes. So hopefully, by the looks of it, we've actually managed to fix our rear wiper. So obviously previously we did the rear wiring loom up in that top corner there, and having cleared the codes, it looks like it's working perfectly. We can't turn it back off, we turn it back on, we've got no fault codes now. So we'll leave it there for now. Hopefully that's been really useful to someone. If you've enjoyed it and you fancy giving it a go, or it's giving you the confidence to give it a go, you know, give us a like down below. Hit subscribe, coming up here now, as I always say as well, you know, more subscribers, more videos. But yeah, for now, thanks very much for watching, really appreciate it, and see you in the next one. Cheers.